Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a delicious sandwich. We are making a chicken shawarma. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is juice a lemon. You want to know what I am needing some dough for some naan bread. If you want to know how to make your own, you can look in the upper right hand corner and click that, or check the description below. I have a video about making naan bread. Now, traditional Lebanese flatbread would be perfect for this, but I like using naan, and I like suggested naan because naan is easy to find in grocery stores now. But you can make your own traditional Lebanese flatbread or go to a specialty bakery and get that. It's fantastic. But this is very simple and it's easy, it's consistent, and it's yummy. If you're using my naan bread recipe for this, the recipe calls for 8 naan breads. They're small. So for this recipe, you're gonna cut the dough into fourths and shape them in a long oval shape so it'll be enough to fill our sandwich with all our wonderful things. Guys, we have some chicken breast here and we're just cutting it into strips. Now you can use chicken thighs. You know I love me some chicken thighs. But today we're using chicken breast. And chicken shawarma is a Middle Eastern dish. It's very delicious. Uses some different flavors that Americans don't usually eat. So it makes for a nice, different kind of basically sandwich. And of course, our little version isn't authentic, but it gives you a wonderful flavor and sense of what these sandwiches can be. Now, also, if you ever get a chance to hit up one of those shops, please give them a chance. Explore different tastes, different cultures. Open the world up to yourself. Okay guys, now that we have our chicken cut, I have a bowl here. And I have a good top bag that I'm going to put into the bowl. Now I'm going to add our marinade ingredients. We have some olive oil. We have some paprika that goes in. We have some cayenne pepper that goes in. So far, so typical, right? We have black pepper, salt, garlic, and lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we'll get to the stuff that adds a different flavor to it. We have some cardamom. Oh, I love the way these smell. We have some coriander. And we have some cumin. Now we're gonna mix all these things together a little bit. I like to give them a nice mix up before I put the chicken in. Now I'm going to leave the chicken in our zip top bag. I'm gonna go with half first. Get in there. Get a little of this marinade. Leave it, the bag crack a little. Really get in there. Then I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken. Same thing, I'm going to close the bag, but not all the way. Just like so. Just like so. And get in there. I'm gonna make sure that this marinade hits everything. So we're gonna work it a while. And after it's worked, we're gonna close the bag. Put it in this bag so it doesn't leak in the fridge. Get it in the fridge and let it marinate. We have some plain Greek yogurt made with whole milk. This is the stuff you want to use. Not lemon flavor, not low fat. Plain Greek yogurt, whole milk. Makes for the best situation. So we're gonna get the yogurt in this bowl. And we're making our sauce for our shawarmas. We're gonna add our garlic, cumin, salt, black pepper, and lemon juice. Now we're just gonna mix this guy up like some boss. And this is going to be our sauce. We're gonna cover this, get it in the refrigerator, and when we make our beautiful sandwiches, this is gonna be our topping. Now, after you stir it up, make it a mess like a baby. After you stir it up really well, everything is mixed in good. You want to taste it. Make sure it tastes delicious. You want to add a little more salt, add it. You want to add a little more pepper, add it. You want to add a little more lemon juice, add it. It's your kitchen, do what you want. And in the fridge it goes. It's outside where you can use a stove top grill like this, and I have this pad you can put over this, and this allows for grill marks without having to mess up your pan below. It's non-stick and it's easy to clean. Or you can use something like this. This is an electric grill by Hamilton Beach. I like this thing a lot. It has a non-stick surface. This thing comes off and it makes it easy to clean. We have our griddle, nice and hot. Now we're ready to put some chicken on it. So we're gonna put the chicken on, and what we want to do is cook it on one side and get some nice grill marks, and then flip it and cook it on the other side. Off. Such a bad influence. Beautiful flatbread, fresh tomatoes and lemon, iceberg lettuce, and our shawarma. subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.